with each clanging beat, echoing persistence with each powerful rumbling part, representing hard work with each swirling motion, symbolizing progress and growth. And with each firm hand, reflecting trust. When these elements come together with resilience, that's when the foundation for a thriving industry truly begins. Over the past 20 years, Indotech has been relentlessly striving to establish its footprint on this strong foundation. With a European mindset and technology, the established venture has been providing metal cutting solutions at affordable prices, delivering expected value. With a vision of manufacturing and delivering world-class metal sawing products and services, Indotech started with a greenfield project spanning over a land area of 30,000 square meters and manufacturing area of 13,500 square meters in Indore, Madhya Pradesh, India. It further expands with the opening of its foundry plant, Indotech Unit 2, producing cast iron and SG iron castings for automobile and other engineering sectors. With determination, perseverance, and integrity, the company has built a team of over 300 highly trained and skilled professionals. Driven by passion and continuous improvement, this team has delivered over 5,000 machines with more than 4,000 satisfied clients across 20 global locations. Indotech, with its state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, serves as a one-stop solution, delivering premium quality products through its in-house manufacturing and processing services by utilizing its latest 3D software for designing and finite analysis. Advanced fabrication facilities with latest laser cutting machines, plasma cutting machines, CNC bending, shearing and welding stations, the high-tech and precision machine shop is equipped with latest heavy-duty gantry-type CNC milling machines, vertical machining centers, horizontal machining centers, CNC turning, cylindrical and surface grinding machines, and a host of heavy-duty column drilling machines. Furthermore, the facility includes spray painting, shot blasting room, having the capability to perform jobs up to 10 meters. Final assembly of machines with precision tooling. Electrical panel assembly with software development for the PLC. And a dust-free environment for high-precision power packs, as well as assembling its own hydraulic cylinders. Indotech is one of the few companies in the world to have the capabilities to design and manufacture bandsaws with the capacity to saw jobs up to 3-meter diameter horizontally and 10 meters long vertically. Indotech manufactures the complete range of sawing machines like horizontal, gantry, miter, vertical, blade sawing, high-speed circular sawing machines, and customized solutions catering to every client's requirement. By providing robust and high-precision machines, Indotech has become a reliable end-to-end solution provider in the metal sawing industry. Indotech proudly claims to export 35% of its annual turnover to developed countries, along with a client retention rate of more than 90%, demonstrating the quality of its deliverables. Indotech caters to a plethora of industries such as automotive and its ancillaries, energy, aerospace, defense, oil and gas, steel plants, R&D organizations, mining, solar, aluminium, infrastructure, and general engineering companies. Customers trust the company to deliver bespoke machinery solutions in collaboration with the company's application department. The innovative machining systems, combined with advanced production engineering and high vertical integration, ensures maximum control over every component. With a zeal for excellence, Indotech has established itself as a leader in metal sawing solutions. Decades of experience provide deep insights into industry dynamics, enabling the development of a world-class manufacturing facility. Its dedicated team constantly strives to deliver high-quality products and services. Indotech invites you to experience its superior quality and innovation. Indotech Industries, with a zeal for excellence.